Hi, this is Melanie Queen with Queen Mothers in Business, and today we're going to go over budgeting and 1099s. So, budgeting tips. Who is your target market? Make sure you are marketing to your target market. I know you, as a business owner, you probably hear about that all the time, but seriously, it even applies to your bookkeeping. Make sure that you're marketing to your target market. Go through your subscriptions and find those that you're not using anymore and cancel those subscriptions. Make sure that that your prices for your services or goods are fair for both you and your clients. Make sure that you aren't cheating yourself. I know a lot of small business owners try to cheat themselves and not make a fair income. It's not fair for you. You need to make a fair income. And then include your team. If you have a team, include them. Make sure that they know your financial goals. You don't have to give them your profit and loss and your balance sheet necessarily, but just include them and make sure that they understand what your financial goals are and why you have those financial goals. So, other bookkeeping or budgeting tips is understand the risk you are taking on each project. Is the project that you're taking worth the cost involved? So make sure that you understand how much you are spending on that project and is it really worth that time and money. Don't go into debt without thinking about the risks involved. Okay, so especially if you watched my previous video before, with credit cards, they have really high interest. So make sure that you don't get you're using your credit card and you're just using it and you're not making income out of your business. Make sure that you understand what debt you're getting yourself into and what risks are involved with that debt. Overstate your expenses. So on your budget, make sure that you overstate your expenses so that when those little surprises come along, that those are already accounted for in your budget. Pay attention to your sales cycle. So say you have really high sales in November, like end of November and December and a little bit in the beginning of January, and then you kind of slow down for January, February, and March. Make sure that you account for that in your budget and make sure that you pay yourself accordingly. So in December, don't pay yourself everything that you have in your business. Make sure that you have enough in your business to sustain your business for the next coming months. So make sure that you have a budget that pays attention to your sales cycle. And every business is different, so just make sure that you're doing that. Remember that your time is valuable too. So don't undercut yourself and, not charge enough to your businesses, and revisit your budget often. At least a monthly basis, if not more often. Okay? So revisit it, make sure that everything is going well and going smoothly and looking okay. Who is an independent contractor? So it's anyone that works for you and performs services for your business who is not an employee, including, but not limited to, the following: accountants and bookkeepers, business consultants, virtual assistants, web designers, photographers, subleasing and rent. Anyone that you hire for a good or service that it does not supply materials, a computer, a office for them to work, you don't have to and you don't pay them employer taxes, then they're 1099. Okay? If you're unsure if they are an employee or a contractor, look at irs.gov or contact a professional for help. You can contact me or your tax advisor or legal advisor. Okay, so before they start working, have them fill out a W-9. I cannot emphasize enough, you need to make sure they fill out a W-9. This will, at the beginning, set the relationship that they're an independent contractor and that relationship expectations. Payday. If you can, pay them through PayPal or credit card. If you pay them with Venmo, check, direct bank transfer, etc., keep in mind that you're going to have to send them a 1099 at the end of the year if you pay them more than $600. Now, this doesn't list every single method, so make sure that if you use a different method, contact your accountant and see if you need to send a 1099 to them or not. PayPal and credit cards are processing companies. Don't necessarily send a 1099, but they send a different report to their businesses that are registered, and so that's why those are okay to not have to report those, or to not have to send those 1099s. Okay, so if they're an S Corp or a C Corp, So if your independent contractor is an S Corp or a C Corp, they do not need a 1099 no matter what payment method you paid them. And the same goes for you. If you are an S Corp or a C Corp, you do not need to request 1099s for your business income. So if you're doing business-to-business relationship income, then you don't have to request a 1099 from the other business if you're an S Corp or a C Corp. And no matter what payment method or incorporation, have them file a W-9 for your records before their payday. So you have it on record. So you have a signed document saying, we were an independent contractor and this is what they said they were. So you have it on record just in case. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I hope you have enjoyed these videos that I've been providing. If you, I do offer a 30-minute free consultation to all business owners. On the website, you can just go in there and schedule that free consultation. And during that consultation, we will talk about if my monthly bookkeeping or my bookkeeping coaching program would be good for you. It's that bookkeeping coaching program will go over all the QuickBooks Online, and it will hold you accountable for your bookkeeping. It will help you set up a budget. It will help you with all the stuff that we've been talking about today. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.